Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Thank you.
I am a party faithful, a member of APC. We are here to actually agitate for fairness in the leadership of the party, All Progressive Congress. The issue with this party affairs were from North Central. We felt that it is our birthright because ever since the democratically elected ESCOs, you could remember the past democratically elected chairman is from North Central. So after the truncation, why is it going to Northwest? Northwest is not the only zone existing in Nigeria. North Central is actually also part of it, and North Central is even the people who actually are supposed to gain this thing. So we are agitating that North Central should get this position for fairness and equity. We have been agitating it for long. It's just that we felt that we have to come and ventilate our feelings about this leadership. We have done it in different ways, but we felt that let us come en masse to agitate for it. Ever since Niger State, the government was formed, the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was formed. If you look at it critically, it's like Niger State was just left with nothing. You understand? The North Central, where the present party chairman is coming from, which is Kano, North Central, and Northwest, you look at it that the Northwest has Speaker of the Federal House of Representatives. Then they have the Deputy Senate President. So if you look at it now in leadership, where do North Central then belong? So this is why we actually need to actually fight this just cause. So we will keep fighting until justice is certain.